So this is the LR48TK Comfort. It's a 18-inch self-propelled EMAC mower, 140cc. Product's made in Pozzilli in Italy in our factory. It's got a single height adjust lever with 4 settings. It's got a function to have a mulch plug fitted, and it's a collect machine predominantly. Two settings on the height adjust, and high grade bearings within the wheels. So the collection on these machines, on all EMAC lawnmowers, is pretty impressive. As you can see, it's compact and rammed the grass into the box, so there's a good opening on all of the mowers, so you get a good throughput of grass. Doesn't really block, and gives you the options to cut wet grass quite comfortably.